Everyone woke up today, second day in the car. Like a beautiful day in Miami. What am I gonna do today? Not sure yet. Probably exercise, organize some stuff in my hatchback. Vacuum out the car. What else? Maybe go to the mall and look around. Not much, baby, not much. What is it, in the 60s here today? Low 60s, nice. Oh my, look at this traffic. Planning my trip out west. Maybe do some drawing. I gotta sell my motorcycle also, get some cash for that, because I don't know how I'm gonna transport it. You know, it's gonna be a hindrance, so got a lot, not too much to do, but the main thing is to contend with this traffic. That's the main thing. Contending with this Miami traffic. It's especially bad now. Living in around the Christmas holiday season, everybody's out spending money. Look at this. I can't even get over. What I love is these suburban housewives in their gigantic SUVs. They can hardly see over the steering wheel. Oh, I know what I gotta. Look at this. I used to live over here. I used to pay like $1,000 a month for rent. At the time, I thought it was ridiculous. Now I look back, I wish I could go back there. Look at this. They got an American flag at this construction site, but not one American worker. Maybe the worker's some fat American white guy that owns the company. That's about all the only Americans you see. Wow, that dog's wearing a sweater. I need to get some gas now. At this gas station here. At this gas station here, there's a car wash next to it where you can use their vacuums for free, so that's good. Look at the sky, it's blue. Look at this. Oh my, this is a normal day. Look, he's blocking my lane so he can turn. Oh, fudge. I'm trying not to use swear words anymore, but it's hard. Let's go check out these pumps. Yeah, but beautiful day here. Look at my gas. I'm on complete empty, baby. Complete emptiness. My gas tank is more empty than a woman's soul. Just kidding. Yeah, but look at this. Turning, baby. Look, here's a marijuana dispensary. I don't smoke, though. Alright. Oh, my. Some free pumps. Free vacuums. Prestige Auto Spa. What I like to do is use the air compressor and like spray, clean out my cabin air filter in there and the air. I wash my own car though. There used to be a cheaper car wash. And here's the gas station here. Oh, this was empty not long ago. Now it's full. Fudge. It's full, damn it. Should I go to it anyways? Get some gas. Alright guys, I'll keep you updated on what's going on. Yeah, car camping day number 2, baby. Gotta love it.